Sheep. That is what we are. We follow and don't question, just to say we are living a normal life. Look where that got us. The end. The end of everything, and yet I feel more in control than ever. For those that survive the bombs, there is no laws. Especially for the creatures born of radiation. I've accepted death. Decided it is better than living in a world run by no matter. See this sword? It's like us, always sharp, but only deadly among command. We weren't deadly enough. Today, I make my final stand, and while I'll never make a difference in this world, at least I can say that in the end, I was the one in control. For once, I was the one in control over my future, even if that path led to death. I was the one wielding the weapon, and I was the one fighting back. Because not enough of us have. Death is the one thing certain in life, and I'm going to greet it on my turn, making my stand.